Sairam, dear children, welcome to EVS class. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Dear children, today we are going to revise the lesson. Before starting our class, we will do Omkar 3 times. Sairam children, today we are going to revise the lessons 8 and 9. Okay, children, for that I will show you a worksheet and after that we will discuss the questions. Okay, let me take the worksheet. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Ah, yes. Let us revise from the lessons 8 and 9. Okay. These are the questions from these two lessons. What is the first question? We have to give examples. I have asked here two examples each. Okay. Two animals that can fly other than birds. See, other than birds, you have to write the name of two animals that can fly. Do you know the answer? Insect, isn't it? Bat, flying squirrel, all these animals can fly. These are not birds. Second question, two birds that can imitate our voice. What are the answers? Yes, parrot and myna. These two birds can imitate our voice. Next one is two uses of water. Here I asked only two uses. You know many uses of water, isn't it? So you can write it here. Drinking, bathing, cleaning the utensils, washing the clothes, mopping the floor. Isn't it like that? So flesh eating birds means eat the flesh of the meat of the prey. Okay. Prey means food. Kite, vulture, eagle, all these birds eat the flesh of other. Two harmful insects. Some insects are useful and some insects are harmful to us. It spreads diseases. Okay. Mosquito spread dengue, malaria, isn't it like that? And head louse, the insect that lays on our head and it sucks the blood. Okay. Bed bug, all these are harmful insects. Now, two sources of water. The place where we get from water, isn't it? Sources means a river is there, well is there, sea is there, ocean is there, and tube well is there, isn't it? So these are the examples of sources of water. Next question is identify the bird. One question is asked, our national bird. All of us know, isn't it? What is our national bird? Yes, but it has beautiful feathers. It dances very nice. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Second one is it stitches its nest by using its beak as a needle. It stitches the leaves to make its nest. What is what is used to stitch? Beak. It is like a needle. Which bird is this? It is very clear from the word tailor, isn't it? Tailor
Taylor
stitches our yes,
Taylor
stitches,
Burner.
yes. Tailor stitches our cloth like tailor bird stitches its nest. Okay, children. Very good, very good. Now, next, it flies high up in the sky, eats dead animals, and known as scavenger. It cleans our surroundings. Which bird? Yes, it is vulture. Okay, children? Now, it makes hole in the tree trunk to eat the hidden insects. We can hear the sound, tuck, tuck, tuck sound. Which bird? Yes, it is
Woodpecker.
woodpecker.
Mm.
Okay, very good. Now, next question is, it can sing very sweetly. Yes, its voice is very sweet. Yes, it is a cuckoo bird or koel bird. Okay, children? Now, these are the two questions here. Examples, and you have to identify the birds. You can do yourself. Isn't it, children? What is children? Can you write the answers yourself?
Yes, ma'am. We will write.
Okay. If you have any doubt, you can see the previous video also. Okay. All these are discussed in the previous uh, video. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, third question is name the process. See, first one is the process of changing of water into water vapor due to heat. Yes, it is evaporation. When water changes into water vapor, that process is called evaporation. Now, changing of water vapor into water when it cools and changes into water. This process is called, yes, it is called condensation. What is it called? Condensation. You can learn it from the previous video. You have to write the spellings also correctly. Okay, children. Next question is the process of falling of water in different forms back on the earth from the clouds. First, water changes into water vapor. Then water vapor changes into water. And after that, the clouds formed. After that, what happened? From the clouds, it comes back on the earth, isn't it? That process. That process is called, yes, precipitation. Okay, precipitation. Now, the continuous movement of water rising from the surface of the earth to the sky and back to the earth in a cyclic manner. It rotates like a cycle, the wheel of a cycle. What is it? The name itself is a cycle. Oh, yes, water
Water cycle,
cycle.
ma'am.
Oh, okay, very good, very good. Next one is name the following three forms of precipitation. See, we have seen here the process of falling of water in different forms back on the earth from the clouds, different forms. Not only water, let us see what are the other forms. What are the other forms we have already learned? Yes, that is water, hail, and snow. Snowfall, hailstone, isn't it? Waterfall. So these are the three forms of precipitation. What are they? Water, hail, and snow. Now, what are the three forms of water? Yes, all of us know. The liquid form, the water that generally we use for all the activities, isn't it? For drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, isn't it? The liquid form of water we use. Then another one is solid. When we put water in the refrigerator, freezer, then what happens? It changes into, yes, solid form. That is ice. So solid form of water is ice. So second form is solid form. And when we boil water, what happens? It changes into water vapor. So it goes up because it is in the form of gas. So gaseous form of water is called, yes, water vapor. So these are the three forms of water: liquid, solid, and gas. Liquid form of water is the water that we use generally for all activities. Solid form of water is the ice, and gaseous form of water is Water vapor.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Can you please tell 3 forms of precipitation again?
Yes. Yes. Precipitation
3
from
forms.
the clouds it returns to no. So, but water is there, rainfall is there, isn't it?
Okay,
Hailstone is there,
Water,
and
ma'am,
snowfall is there.
water means rain.
Okay.
Rain.
Yes, waterfall means rain,
Rain.
and hail means hailstone that,
Okay.
and
Okay,
snowfall
clear,
is there.
clear,
Okay.
clear, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
Rainfall. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rainfall and hailstone and snowfall. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
the place where a bird sits or rests. When a bird sits or rests on a tree, that is the place for sitting. That place is called perch. What is it called? Perch is the place where a bird sits or rests. Okay, children? So these are the questions I would like to discuss you. I think all of you understood. All of you got it, children? Got it, children? Can you do yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Drawing also, no, ma'am?
Okay. Now, one question is left. We are
Yes.
going to discuss.
Okay.
See, draw and color. You like to draw and color it very much, you know. So this is for coloring and drawing activity. You will have a fun. Okay. You have to draw water cycle and also you have to draw two flying animals other than birds. Don't draw the picture of birds. You have to draw the animals that can fly other than birds. And you can color it and you can write the name also. I didn't give here name, but you can write the name of the animals also. Okay, children, do you understand? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to stop the class. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do Shanti Path. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sairam children, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Okay, children.